been a little bit since my last makeup tutorial. Literally making this look up on the spot. I have an idea. I have out some makeup that I want to use, but I don't know how it's gonna turn out. You know, putting hearts on the face, you know, doing pink, red, and white is gonna be the colors. Yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of go with it. I need to set my eyes too. Yeah, I'm gonna prime my eyeballs. No, I'm not priming my eyeballs, I'm priming my eyelid. Oh my god. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm kind of like all over the place for some reason. I guess this is what happens when you don't film a makeup tutorial in a while. So hopefully you guys are gonna like this tutorial. I'm hashtag single for Valentine's Day, which is fine. You know, I'm okay with that. I don't care. It's whatever. So are you hashtag single on Valentine's Day, or are you hashtag taken? Tell me in the comments below, what are you doing today? What are you doing today? How are you spending your Valentine's Day? Are you watching me on Valentine's Day? I will be your bae, okay? I will be all your baes if you're single, because you don't want to cheat, but if you're a girl, I'll still be your bae, you know? Like, Valentine's Day, I'm everyone's bae today. Everyone's, so. I guess I need to do my eyebrows. I'm using this It Cosmetics brow powder pencil because I'm almost out of my Anastasia dip brow pomade stuff. It's not even Valentine's Day like right now. This is literally 2 days. Yeah, it's Tuesday when I'm filming this. So dang, that eyebrow was so easy. Let's go with this red. I'm using my Morphe palette. Okay guys, so literally all I'm doing is just taking this red and I'm gonna build it up some more. I'm just gonna finish off this eye look. So I finished the eyes. I lined my waterline with some white eyeliner. Let's do lashes. Okay, we're just gonna do my Ardell Wispies. Mascara, let's do that first and then apply them. Mascara's done. Alright, where's my, here it is. I'm kind of behind right now on my videos. I don't really know how that happened. I think I've just been posting a lot and I didn't realize that it would put me behind because I didn't have enough videos for my schedule. So yeah, I'm also really hungry, but I'm doing this video first, so you're welcome. I'm back. I have my lashes on and I put a little bit of eyeliner in the inner corners just to make it more realistic or better. I don't know how to explain it. I want to make my eyebrows another color. Let's do the other parts of the face and then see what happens. Let's do the blush. We're going to be putting a lot of it on. I do that look anyways, but we're gonna be like extra because, you know, it's Valentine's Day. My nose is really red right now. You can see it because my nose gets really dry and I need to exfoliate, but I'm too lazy to do that right now, so I've just been forgetting to do it because that usually helps. But either way, my nose is still really dry and I'm really terrible at not picking at it, so I'm sorry. Wake up at your cafe, yeah, 'cause I'm bored. I know it ain't right, but I don't care. Nova! Contour. Using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. Okay, now we're just gonna take some bronzer and just bronze up a little bit. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. I'm gonna eat after this. Now let's do lips. Okay, I have an idea for the lips. I was gonna outline it in red liner and then fill it in with pink. We're gonna see if that's gonna look good. I'm trying to be really creative here, so. So here's the lips lined, okay, and we're gonna take a light pink color. It's the color Tokyo. That's kind of cute, right? Yeah, okay, this. Okay, I'm gonna draw one and just see. Maybe we'll do like multiple of like you can barely see that. I'm gonna try it on the other side. I'm back. Okay, so I kept the white hearts and I added 2 black ones. So yeah. Highlight. Oh my god, duh. I don't love liquid highlighter. I prefer powder just because, but we'll try this. Okay, that blended out pretty good. I probably still am gonna add some powder highlight over it just because I'm extra and I want it to show up, so. What?
There's one I can't do.
Why?
Because 53 times 4.
Use your calculator.
I don't have a calculator.
On. Yes. Okay. We're gonna color in my eyebrows pink. It kind of looks purple, so I might need to go over it with this hot pink. And also it's kind of, okay, that looks pretty cool. So my eyebrows are now pink.
What a crazy little look.
Okay guys, so I think this is it for the makeup look. I hope that you guys like the makeup look. We're gonna take my clips and okay, that's good. And there we go. There's the hair. I hope that you guys liked it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And like I said at the beginning, comment down below what you're doing for Valentine's Day, because I'm just gonna stay home probably. So thank you guys so much. Happy Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye guys.